Hi, welcome to SWSystems. We're just going to do a bespoke quick video of the front-end till software. This is set up for a bar, restaurant, or cafe, or fine dining. So we're just going to quickly show you how to work the till. So the first thing you do is you sign on. It says at the top here, please sign on. So you just press the sign on key. And then you sign on with your PIN number. It could be 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, however you want this. And you can change this on the cloud back office software. So you press sign on. Once you signed on, you can then choose the drinks, items, food, so liqueurs, snacks, etc. This one has a pull down, so it says either it's plain cheese and onion or salt and vinegar. You don't have to do it like that. You can actually have it as individual items, but that's options there. And then once you're done, you press this payment button in the bottom right, payments, and you've got subtotal card, subtotal cash. You've got quick cash keys here, 20, 10, 5. You can also work out the change by pressing subtotal and then keying in £30 or whatever they give you, the customer. We've also got a percentage discount here, so I can do 10% off. I can also do an amount off as well, £1. These can also be set as well, so if you do want staff discount or a loyalty discount, anything specific, we can do that for you. Then once you've done that, you just press the tender, so cash or card. At the top here, we've got receipt print, so that reprints the receipts. We've also got receipt on off, and essentially we can change, customize this keyboard. So if you want the buttons bigger, you want them double buttoned or quad sized, you want keys, departments in departments, we can customize this for you. This is just our standard setup. So if you do want that, please get in touch and we'll happily get that done for you. And then what we can do also, you can do tables and tabs. So I can go table 1, I can go open. I can also key in a name here, so John M. Okay, key in the drinks. If I use a half pint, I can press half and do half a tenants, and it reverts back to the pint. We've also got soft drinks, Diet Coke. Someone wants 5 Coke, so 5 times Coke for speed. And then I can go payment, subtotal, and then they're going to give me a 20 and a 10 in cash. You can also part pay as well, so you can do £20 cash and the rest card. These miscellaneous buttons here are for items that haven't been programmed in, so you just key in the item price, then you add it on the back office software when it's ready. You've then got ability to void an item, so if I don't need the Belhaven up here, so we don't need the Belhaven, highlight the Belhaven, press void, and you can give a reason why you're voiding, so the customer changed mind or there was a mispull, however you want to do that. And then you've got all your sort of main buttons down here for refunding, cancelling, no sale. So refund is normally done outside a sale, but you can do it within a sale. So refund, and you press the item and it goes negative. You press payment, then on our integrated card machine it would refund it. So in this occasion I'm going to do £5 cash and then the rest card. So that's split payment. You've also got with the tables and tabs, you've also got the ability to key in items on a tab. You can press hold, and then in tables tabs you can see it says it's active with Aiden. You can also split the bill or go Dutch, so Dutch split it either 2 ways, 3 ways, divide it by whatever it is, and then split, this is where you can move items and you can split 20 ways, and then you can print a receipt, press cash, finalize each split, and then we'll do this split here, press like that, and you can get receipts for both as well. Item search is any products that don't have, you can't find them, so a bit like searching on your phone. So say I wanted to find Drambuie, DRA, there it is, press it like that, and there it is. So we can do dash buttons as well, we can do double up for £1 or double up for whatever price it is. We can do mix and match, set menus for starters, mains, desserts, and there's various other customizations we can do for bars, coffee shops, cafes and restaurants and pubs. If there's anything else you need, then let us know and we'll get that added to the system. So deposits in, vouchers in, all those sort of customizations. Now from there I can go onto the cloud back office software, and then from here we can actually see a dashboard. This is real time of all those sales. So you always go by your net sales. We've got a mixture here of cash and card. We can run any date range up here. So it's a bit like a booking system. You can do this and run whatever date range it is, but we've only got data for today. So today, and then From here you can look at department sales, so what's been selling draft spirits, you saw that on the front screen. Hourly breakdown, so what's popular. So this video has now been taken between 11 and 12, so here's the sales coming through here, 196.55. And then you've got last immediate sales for the site, product sales, staff breakdown, so all that information there. Then you can go into products. In here, this lists all the products, so I can go tenants. It's linked to the this would be linked to the wet group, draft, VAT, and then this is where you change the price, 510. So if I change that price, that will immediately change on the till. So then I can go on the till and alter that for you, which is it's simple as just pressing the product. So if I go on the till now and press tenants, it's now 510. So that's real time. And then from there we can go into the product, and in here it will tell me more information. We can add a cost price in here. We've got actual GP in here. We've got the shift prices, so half pints or doubles for wines. We can alter that as well. This is where we had the option. So with the crisps, it was a different type of crisp, but it can be syrups for coffee, ice creams for desserts, chip options, burger options, breakfast items, anything you want customized with your sort of set menu, we can do that. We also do mix and match, so you can have like 3 items for a set price, 2 items for a set price. And then part of the software there is a stock, the ability to do stock control of purchase ordering. So this is where you link actual suppliers to a product. You have supplier codes, unit costs, unit sizes. They can do recipes if you want that. And then in here we've got terminal flags. So what is, is it printing to kitchen printer 1? Is it drinks dispense? Do you want allergens set up as well? So we can set it to pop up of this contains eggs, fish, milk. You can set that for every item. We also do an integrated web shop, so for QR code table ordering and online ordering, collections, deliveries, and all that sort of stuff. We'd also do stuff with Just Eat and Uber Eats. That is an add-on, and we do a full integration with that with Uber Eats as well as the big three. You can also have stuff appearing on the front end till for like say specials, little sort of stock countdown. We can do that, and there's many other settings and features we can do on the system. You've also got the stock in here, which it does list ordering, so purchase ordering with suppliers, and you've got all that ability in there, and transfers, wastage, returns, ins and outs, case sizes is all customizable, so you can put through a wastage when you have the cloud stock part with your system if you want that or not. And then staff, so you can change the staff names in here. So if Sean does leave, you can change it in here, so that's the code there. But we can also link, this is linking you can link certain other things to this as well. So you can have magnetic Dallas keys and readers if you want that. And then in here is the actual jobs of the staff. So we will customize this for you, but you can change this if you want. So we can restrict, most likely as the no sales are unrestricted, so it's an allowed function, but on normal staff we restrict the no sale. So these buttons here, no sale, we would restrict that, which opens the drawer without putting in a sale. There's various other programming in here, so departments, mix and match, list PLUs, lots of things in here, the keyboard that you would use, the receipt header, and tax, we'd set that all up for you. And then finally you've got the Sales Explorer, which looks at anything in red is that we've done a no sale or a void. So this was where we voided, this is where we cancelled items here. We can go in here, and this one here, you can see here we voided an item here. And then in that you can run these reports by however you want to, by any date range. Bill reports, till reports is where you've done a Z read. So to do a Z read on the till, you just do this on each till, make sure each staff member's finalised everything. You go manager mode, end of day, Z, and then you press OK, then that will run the report. All right, and that'll be printed. We've also got in here other manager functions in here, so we can move the table plan, we can view previous sales, we can do a paid out, so take cash out the drawer, and that will all appear on the end of day. And then you've got all your reports in here, so we've got majority of people will just use a batch report. but you can also use, you can do that by month. So a batch report is like a Z read per till, and then this will show in here. So this is your A4 net sales cash card. You've also got the ability to do a tax report in here. So this is for your accountant, and we can give your accountant a login as well. We also do integrate with Xero accounting software, QuickBooks and Sage, which is an add-on, but we can do that. So here's the VAT, net amount, and then VAT to pay here, the tax amount. Again, all run by any date range. You can go back as many years as you want, all the reports. Some reports have a start end time. And so say I want to look at product sales, so PLU, this is 3/4 of the way down. So PLU sales by department. This is looking at now items sold, what's popular. So we can go in here, draft, etc. Tenants we've sold today, line cost, average cost, quantity, and it's all totaled at each of the reports. Now every report on here can be saved to HTML, which is viewed as a screen, as a web screenshot, PDF and CSV. There are other exports here as well. So you can view that in there. These are all the reports. There's loads. PLU sales pie chart, PLU tax sales, refund. There's all stock reports, PLU current stock if you're doing stock. So you can look at the current stock levels if you're doing that. You can also look at stock levels in the actual product area as well. So you can actually go in here. You can go into stock levels in here and stock, and then it will tell you if there's any stock levels in here. So the current stock's -24 because this is a demo site. There's various other things we can do. There is stuff like customer loyalty. This is more for like members clubs, but you can do like for coffee shops, we can do contactless points, loyalty cards. We can do various other offers. We can do school meals for certain school type canteen setups, and there's various other customizations we can do. So that's all in here, and that's really it, really. And it's obviously we are offering a lot of discounts at the moment, so please get in touch. Please email sales@SWSystemsUK.com for discounted pricing, and also if you need to rent, we can offer that as well to keep your cash flow down, and we can offer leasing as well. So we do offer plenty of options for customers, as well as integrated card terminals with our card partners. So if there's anything else you need, please get in touch. Sales@SWSystemsUK.com or info@SWSystemsUK.com, or you can call us on 01392 275 324 extension 1 for sales. Many thanks for listening.